Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Hour.
Hey there! We're so glad you're joining us again today.
This is day 3 of your 30-day English listening and speaking challenge.
That's right. Today, we're learning how to order food and eat out, a skill you'll definitely use in real life.
Before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Daily English Hour so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson.
And bring your appetite because we're going to a restaurant today.
Perfect. Let's begin with some common phrases you'll need when ordering food. Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee, please. Could I see the menu? I'll have the chicken salad. Can I get a glass of water?
Great job! Those are all polite and useful phrases you can use anywhere.
Now, let's try them in a short conversation. Ready? I'll be the customer, and David, you're the waiter.
A waiter, my dream job. All right, let's go. Hello, welcome. What would you like to order?
Hi, could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Today's special is grilled salmon with rice.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the salmon, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Sure thing. It'll be ready soon.
That was great. Simple, polite, and natural. Just how English should sound.
Exactly. And remember, saying please and thank you always makes people smile.
Let's practice those polite words again. Repeat after me. Please. Thank you. Excuse me. You're welcome.
Nicely done. These little words make a big difference.
All right, everyone. In part 2, we'll continue eating out, learning how to order dessert, and ask for the bill.
Sweet. Don't go anywhere. We'll see you in part 2.
Great job today. Keep practicing and stay confident. All right, everyone. Welcome back. This is part 2 of day 3, ordering food and eating out.
In part 1, we ordered our main meal. Now, it's time for my favorite part, dessert.
Oh, I knew you'd say that, David. You've got a sweet tooth, don't you?
Guilty as charged. I can never say no to cake.
Perfect. Let's learn some dessert-related phrases you can use at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Can I see the dessert menu, please? I'd like a slice of chocolate cake. Could I have some ice cream? That looks delicious.
Nicely done. You're speaking clearly and politely.
So, David, what's your go-to dessert when you eat out?
Definitely cheesecake. Creamy, smooth, and a little sweet. It's perfect.
That sounds amazing. I think I'd go for apple pie with ice cream.
Classic. You can't go wrong with that combo.
Let's try a quick role play together again. I'll be the waiter this time, and David, you're the customer. Ready?
Let's do it. I'm hungry already.
Hello again. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is very popular today.
Great. I'll have one slice of chocolate cake and a cup of coffee, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all for now.
Excellent. That's exactly how a real conversation sounds.
And now comes the part we all dread, asking for the bill.
Oh no, the bill. Let's practice how to ask for it politely. Repeat after me. Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Keep the change, please.
Excellent. Let's make a small conversation from those phrases. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here you go. That's $12.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please insert your card.
Thank you. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
See? That's how easy it is to sound polite and natural.
Remember, tone matters as much as the words. Speak kindly, and people will treat you kindly too.
Great job today, everyone. In part 3, we'll move from the restaurant to something a bit more fun, talking about your favorite foods and eating habits.
Yum! I can't wait for that. See you in part 3.
See you soon, and keep practicing aloud.
All right, everyone. Welcome to part 3 of day 3, talking about your favorite foods and eating habits.
I've been waiting for this one. Food is one of my favorite topics to talk about.
I had a feeling you'd say that, David. So, tell us, what kind of food do you usually like?
I'd say I'm a big fan of Italian food. Pasta, pizza, and lasagna, I could eat them every day.
Oh, classic choices. I love Italian too. But for me, nothing beats a good bowl of soup on a cold day. All right, everyone, let's start with a few key sentences you can use to talk about your favorite food. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. I love spicy food. I don't like fast food. I usually eat rice for lunch.
Great job! These are super common sentences that you can use anywhere.
Notice that we say I like, I love, or I don't like to express opinions about food.
Right, and you can make them more interesting by adding details. For example, I love spicy noodles because they make me feel warm. I don't like soda because it's too sweet.
Excellent! Now let's make a quick conversation together. David, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Honestly, just coffee and toast. I'm not a big breakfast person.
Coffee again. You're totally addicted.
Hey, I need it to survive the morning. How about you, Emma?
I usually have yogurt, fruit, and some cereal. It gives me energy for the day. Let's practice more useful questions for daily life. Repeat after me. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Do you like spicy food? What's your favorite restaurant? How often do you eat out?
Perfect. You can ask these when you meet new people or make small talk.
That's true. Food is a great topic for starting friendly conversations. Light tone. David, do you cook at home or eat out more often?
Light tone. I try to cook, but it doesn't always go well. My pasta sometimes sticks together like glue.
Oh no, you should watch more cooking videos.
Teasing. Only if you promise to try my spaghetti next time.
Grinning. Deal, but I'll bring the dessert. Okay, everyone, let's learn a few phrases about cooking. Repeat after me. I like cooking dinner for my family. I often try new recipes. I'm not a great cook, but I enjoy it. Cooking helps me relax.
That's nice. Cooking can really be fun when you don't take it too seriously.
Exactly. It's not about perfection, it's about enjoying the process. Let's do one more quick dialogue before we finish. David, what's a food you really can't stand?
Grimacing. Maybe sushi. I know it's healthy, but raw fish just isn't for me.
Surprised. Really? I love sushi, especially salmon rolls.
Chuckling. Well, that means more for you then.
Laughing. True. All right, everyone, here's your challenge for today. Think of 3 sentences about your eating habits.
Encouraging. You can say them aloud or write them in the comments below.
Smiling. That's right. Sharing helps you practice and remember better.
Enthusiastic. Amazing work today. You're learning real-life English and having fun doing it.
Warmly. In part 4, we'll talk about eating out with friends and how to make conversation at the table.
Playfully. Oh, social dining. That's where the fun really starts.
Cheerful. So, don't go anywhere. See you in part 4. Welcome to part 4 of day 3, eating out with friends.
Oh, I love this part. There's nothing better than good food and good company.
I agree. Eating out is not just about food. It's about sharing time, stories, and laughter. So, David, imagine we're at a restaurant. What's the first thing you usually say to the waiter?
I'd probably say, "Hi, can we have a table for two, please?"
Exactly. Always start with a polite greeting and please.
And don't forget the smile. It makes a big difference.
Teaching tone. All right, everyone, let's practice some useful sentences for restaurants. Repeat after me. Can we have a table for two, please? May I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like the chicken salad, please.
Perfect. These are everyday phrases that you'll hear all the time in English-speaking restaurants.
You can also add small polite words like please and thank you to sound more natural and kind.
That's right. Politeness always makes people want to help you more.
Okay, let's imagine we're ordering. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a grilled sandwich and a cup of tea, please.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
Maybe a slice of cake. What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is our most popular dessert.
Perfect. I'll have that, please.
See, everyone? That's a simple but very natural exchange. You can use it in any cafe or restaurant.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'd like a sandwich and a cup of coffee, please. Can I have the chicken soup? What's today's special?
Excellent! These short questions sound polite and clear.
And if you're not sure what to say, just smile and point at the menu.
True. That's the international language of food. Okay, now let's talk about how to ask for the bill politely. Repeat after me. Could we have the check, please? Could I pay by card? Can we split the bill? Thank you very much. Everything was delicious.
That last one is my favorite. Saying thank you always leaves a good impression.
Definitely. And don't forget to tip, usually around 10 to 15% in the US.
Oh, good reminder. In some countries, people forget that part.
So, David, are you the kind of person who takes forever to decide what to eat?
Guilty. I read the menu 3 times before I choose.
You probably change your mind 5 times too.
Absolutely. I'm that person.
We all have one of those friends. Okay, everyone, let's do a little role play practice. I'll be the waiter and you'll be the customer. Ready? Hello, are you ready to order?
Now it's your turn. Say your order out loud.
Great job! You're really speaking English in real-life situations now. Remember, learning English is not just about words. It's about confidence and connection.
Yes, every time you practice, you're building the habit of thinking in English.
So keep practicing these restaurant phrases until they feel natural.
And don't be afraid to use them next time you eat out.
Wonderful work, everyone. In part 5, we'll review everything from today: ordering, paying, and small talk at the restaurant.
That means dessert is coming.
Yes, and we'll serve you some sweet English practice.
See you in part 5.
All right, everyone. Welcome to part 5 of day 3, our final part for today.
Wow, we've talked about so much delicious food already. I'm getting hungry again.
Me too, David. But before we run to the kitchen, let's review everything we learned today. In this lesson, we learned how to talk about food, meals, and restaurants.
That's right. We practiced describing our favorite foods, talking about eating habits, and ordering at restaurants.
Exactly. So let's start with a quick warm-up. Repeat after me. I like spicy food. My favorite restaurant is near my house. I usually have coffee and toast for breakfast. I'd like a salad and a cup of tea, please.
Great job. You sound more confident already.
Now, let's review some common restaurant phrases. Repeat after me. Can we have a table for two, please? May I see the menu? Could I have the check, please? Everything was delicious. Thank you.
Perfect. You can use these sentences anywhere in the world where people speak English.
And remember, adding please and thank you always makes you sound polite and natural. So, David, if you could eat one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, that's easy. Pasta. I could eat pasta every single day.
Really? You'd never get tired of it?
Never. Maybe different sauces every day. What about you, Emma?
I'd say sushi. I love how fresh and simple it is.
So, Italian versus Japanese. Dinner at your place or mine?
Let's do both. We'll call it International Food Night. Okay, everyone, let's practice a short dialogue together. I'll be the waiter, and David will be the customer. Listen and repeat after us. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Of course. Would you like something to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Everything looks delicious. Thank you so much.
That's a full, natural restaurant conversation.
And you can use it next time you travel or eat out in an English-speaking country.
Remember, learning to speak English is like eating a good meal. It takes time, practice, and enjoyment.
Yes. The more you practice speaking out loud, the more natural you'll sound.
And don't worry about mistakes. They're part of learning.
Exactly. Every sentence you say is progress.
Now, before we finish, let's do one more round of quick practice. Repeat after me. I love cooking at home. I enjoy eating out with my friends. My favorite dish is pasta. The food here is delicious.
Fantastic! That's the perfect way to end day 3.
You've done an amazing job today. You practiced listening, speaking, and real conversations about food.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Hour so you can join us again tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow's lesson will be full of new words and fun conversations.
I hope it's not about vegetables again.
You'll have to wait and see. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.
Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll speak English with confidence.
Take care, everyone.
See you in day 4.
Bye for now.